Hey there, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a timeless classic that's packed with invaluable financial wisdom, The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. Published in 1926, this book might be old, but its lessons are as relevant as ever. So grab a seat, because we're about to uncover the key takeaways that can help us achieve financial success in modern times. Segment 1. The 7 Cures for a Lean Purse. The book starts off with The 7 Cures for a Lean Purse. These are 7 fundamental principles that lay the foundation for building wealth. From start thy purse to fattening, to increase thy ability to earn, Clason's advice emphasizes the importance of saving, investing in yourself, and constantly striving to improve your earning potential. Segment 2. The 5 Laws of Gold. Next up, we've got the 5 Laws of Gold. These are like the laws of nature but applied to finances. They include, gold cometh gladly, and in increasing quantity to any man who will put by not less than 1/10 of his earnings. And gold laboreth diligently and contentedly for the wise owner who finds for it profitable employment. These laws highlight the importance of disciplined saving, investing wisely, and putting your money to work. Segment 3. Make your gold multiply. In this section, Clason talks about making your gold multiply through investments. He stresses the idea of seeking counsel from those experienced in handling money and avoiding get-rich-quick schemes. This is a great reminder that sound financial decisions take time and patience. Segment 4. Guard thy treasures from loss. Protecting your wealth is just as important as accumulating it. Clason advises us to be cautious with our investments, to only work with trustworthy people, and to diversify our holdings. This resonates with the modern principle of managing risk through a well-balanced portfolio. Segment 5. Increase thy ability to earn. One of the most empowering lessons is to continuously invest in yourself. The book emphasizes that the more you learn and grow, the more valuable you become in the marketplace. This aligns perfectly with today's fast-paced world, where upgrading your skills is essential for staying relevant. Conclusion. And there you have it, a concise summary of The Richest Man in Babylon. The beauty of this book lies in its timeless wisdom that can guide us toward financial prosperity, regardless of the era we live in. Remember, these principles are not just for ancient Babylon, but can serve as a roadmap for our own financial journeys. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more enriching content. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, keep building your wealth wisely.